This is the Frugal Gardener. I just want to make a quick video so you guys will know, what I didn't know for the longest time, and I've been gardening my whole life. But I didn't really pay much attention to the uh, type, I guess you can say, of tomato. I was more interested in the seed as opposed to the different, when I say types, I mean they're determinate and they're indeterminate. And the indeterminate usually costs you a few dollars more. And if you're trying to save money, obviously you're going to go with the determinate. And the difference, for those of you who don't know, is determinate, you're going to get a plant about this high, and it's going to grow you tomatoes. Takes about 3 months. You harvest them. It's a wrap. That's it. It's over. Indeterminate, it's going to cost you more money, but in the long run, look at what's happening. I have seen videos and I've seen plants where these indeterminate tomatoes have grown as high as 15 feet tall. This is actually over. If you look, you'll see this is going from here, it's going out. I have been harvesting from these two pots. As a matter of fact, there are 3 pots in here, and it's remarkable to me because I thought you had to have it in ground, which clearly you don't. But in a few days, it's going to be September, and I'm still harvesting from here. You can see that there's another almost dozen that I'm going to pick off of here. I just picked off 5 green tomatoes to give to my son's girlfriend. And I've been harvesting probably at least once a week from, I would say, early July all the way through to, like I said, it's going to be September. I'm going to pull these today and give these other ones a chance to ripen. We had a really hot summer. Surprise, we always have hot summers in West Virginia. But for a while, some of these were not ripening. And when they started, man, I mean, they're going gangbusters now. So, like I said, I'm going to harvest these. These are Roma tomatoes. I've been making, well, using them in salads, and I'm also making sauce and putting these in other dishes with squash. So there's so many things you can do with them. I have cherry tomatoes, still a few in here, but for the most part, oh, there's another, oh, just flew off. I've been getting a lot of hummingbirds, and this hummingbird feeder, $5, and I'm telling you, it's worth it because I make my own nectar. If you want to know, just basically drop me a line in the comments, and I'll show you how I make it. But I have not had to use pesticides in my garden this year, and the reason is because I've done things, this little colorful windmill here. I have a water feature. I moved it, but the water feature also helps, and they've been eating the bad bugs, and I get more bees here than I do anywhere else in the garden, and it could be because of this setup. I don't know, but it's been working for me. It's been a good summer for me, and it's still going. So I'm going to harvest these tomatoes, and the point is, next year or whenever you go to buy seeds, if you have space, and like I said, you don't have to have an in-ground garden because these pots are proof that you can grow indeterminate tomatoes in pots, in containers, and get tomatoes for weeks, if not months, just off of a couple of plants. So I'm the Frugal Gardener, and I'm glad you guys stopped by and spent some time with me. Remember what I always tell you, when you grow your own food, you always know where it comes from. I'll catch you in the next video in a couple of days. Catch you guys on the flip side. Enjoy your day. Happy gardening.